Example 1. Mark finally gathered the courage to ask Jessica out after the party. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb ask out. You know when you have a crush on someone? Maybe it is someone at school or work or a friend. Well, if you want to take them on a date, you don't usually say, I invited her. You say, I asked her out. It specifically means inviting someone to go somewhere, like a movie or dinner, because you want a romantic relationship. It is that big, scary step. Now listen, passive learning is boring. I want you to be active. Commenting below is a huge way for you to show engagement with the community. But more importantly, it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So pay attention to these examples because I want you to write your own in a minute. Here are 3 practical examples. Example 1. Mark finally gathered the courage to ask Jessica out after the party. Example 2. I think I'm going to ask her out this weekend. Do you think it's a good idea? Example 3. She asked him out to dinner and they have been together ever since. Okay, now I want to see your skills. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. Who would you ask out? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.